Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. You just got back 12,000 thermal images from a drone inspection. Your engineer says we found some hotspots. Great. How many? How severe? And how much energy are they costing you? We're not sure. Most drone inspections produce pretty pictures and vague reports. Significant hotspot activity detected. Several panels show elevated temperatures. EO imaging reveals micro cracks in multiple modules. But they don't answer the only question that matters: how much is this costing me? Without quantification, you can't prioritize which defects to fix first, justify the cost of repairs to your board, prove underperformance to an EPC or insurer, or build a defensible O&M budget. Thermal and EO imaging are incredibly powerful, but only if you turn their images into numbers. At ClearSpot AI, we don't just capture images. We run every image through AI-powered quantitative analysis. For thermal images, we measure delta T, how much hotter is this panel versus its neighbors. We classify severity minor less than 10 C, moderate 10 to 20 C, severe greater than 20 C. We estimate power loss. Each degree C of excess heat equals about 0.4 to 0.5% power loss. For a panel with plus 15 C hotspot, estimated 6 to 7.5% localized power loss. For EO images, we detect cracks and measure them, quantify PID by affected cell area, and calculate inactive cell percentage. For a panel with 30% inactive cell area, about 30% module power loss. Then we aggregate defects by string and inverter and model the total production loss. Output. String. 47 has 14 panels with severe defects causing an estimated 280 kEV per month loss equals 45 euros per month. A 50 MW site had a thermal inspection showing widespread hotspot activity, no quantification, no action plan. We reanalyzed the same images using our AI agents. 28 47 panels with detectable hotspots. 412 panels with moderate to severe defects greater than 15 C delta T, 67 panels with critical defects greater than 25 C. Estimated annual power loss 1.8% equals Euro 310k per year. We prioritized the 67 critical panels for immediate replacement cost, Euro 18k. After replacement production increased by 1.1%, recovering Euro 190k annually with an 8-week payback. Without quantification, those panels would still be online bleeding revenue every day. Stop accepting inspection reports that don't include the numbers. Go to ClearSpot.ai and request your quantified drone analysis report. We'll deliver panel-level defect severity scoring, string and inverter level power loss estimates, prioritize repair list with cost-benefit analysis, and expected MWH recovery and financial ROI. Turn your drone images into actionable intelligence. ClearSpot.ai. Because some hotspots isn't a maintenance plan. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.